the idea is to look at the role of dance and women in the 20s, 30s, 40s Ireland. And being a dancer myself, the 1935 Dancehall Act has always been something that kind of caught my attention, particularly the fact that it's still in law today.
Look, here comes trouble into the Mullagh dance hall. Is there any hope you turn around and go back?
Forget about it. The main thing that when you research that era, the most stuff isn't about what actually happened in the halls.
How are you?
There was 3 famous priests in Leitrim, you know that.
I'm one of them.
It was always in the newspapers about priests saying, don't go to that hall and you'll get pregnant by just dancing with a man.
What you're getting yourself in for in there?
I'd say.
My grandmothers in particular were that era listening to this. Going into that hall is an occasion of sin, and that they might tempt somebody to commit sin. You know, Ireland was kind of a new state, and there was this excitement. It was new opportunities, and you could see that kind of buzz and fizzle amongst young people. My favourite part of this project is all the generations coming together. An older person asking someone younger to dance for the fun, and that's what it's all about.